Hey guys, welcome back to update number 3 to be continued as I get this big box to open. So, here it is. And let's go see what's inside here, shall we? Another package from the depths of eBay, everybody. Let's see what's inside. Goes over here. All right. Oh, guys, check this out. If you're huge fans of Bob the Builder, then you're in for a treat, y'all. This one I have here is the... Now this I have here, I have all the 4 Bob the Builder DVDs I got from the good old depths of eBay. Here, come with me. I'll show you what it is. See that? Yeah, folks. All right, let's start off with our first one. And let's begin with this one. Now, this is like a double feature. Now, this is like a kid's double features from 20th Century Fox. Some 2 Bob the Builder videos, which are Jig Lift Haul and Tool Power. Both videos were released in 2004 and 2003, respectively. So, here we go. I have many fond memories of watching Bob the Builder a lot on Sprout, and it is a great classic to watch to this very day. All right, out for the disc. Here's the disc for Dig Lift Haul 2004, and here's the disc for Tool Power 2003. All right, next one we have here is Scoop's Favorite Adventures, also from 2004 respectively. Contains a never before seen episode, Mr. Ellis's art exhibition. Climb aboard with Scoop, Bob and his team in 4 fun-filled adventures. Camera all blurry. There we go. There's the Hit Entertainment logo. In the back, there's your episodes. And then there's like a special feature called Clean Up Fun with Bob Game. Here's the disc. There's the 20th Century Fox logo on the DVD, even though this is still contains some 2004 content. Are you ready for like a white Christmas, y'all? So this next one I have here is the 2002 video of Bob's White Christmas, as you can see right here. One of my favorite Christmas episodes, right next to A Christmas to Remember, which I have on DVD and will be seen as we get to 2025's Christmas Holiday Project. This will be seen as well, so stay tuned. All right, here we go. It contains 3 holiday episodes: Bob's White Christmas, Bob and the Big Freeze, Bob of the North, plus some 2 bonus adventures, some special delivery Spud, and Bob's Bugle. And here is the disc itself. Are you ready to go wild? Are you ready to go wild, folks? Yeehaw! Here is the 2006 video of Bob the Builder Built to be Wild. 2006 video of Bob the Builder Built to be Wild. I've seen this before on YouTube, and it is a great classic movie to watch. This also aired on Sprout's big birthday show. To be honest, way back in 2006. Here's the front. Then you have your characters. Then there's featuring Buffalo Bob. And here is the disc. Alright, let's begin off with our next DVD unboxing. So we gotta open this up. Just give me a moment, folks. Go. Alright, Sonic fans, it's back here once again, but this time in his 2010 video, Sonic Forever. Which you gotta see inside the disc when they were trying to manufacture this. Okay, here we go. Encircle Entertainment and Cookie Jar. Here's your episodes from the Sonic Sat AM series on ABC, which is one of my favorite Sonic the Hedgehog cartoons of all time. And here is the disc. Now, before I close the disc, I want to mention something. Now, when trying to manufacture this DVD, first off, they got the title wrong. It says Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog, even though on this DVD there's no episodes of Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog, just some episodes from the Sonic Sat AM series cartoon on ABC, which they have to fix this stuff. This is some good stuff right here. Okay, off to our next one. This. Check this out, folks. All of you Arthur fans might be excited for this. This one I have here is the 2005 DVD of Postcards from Buster's Outdoor Journeys, which to be honest with you, I've never really seen the series, but maybe I should sit down sometime as an adult and see if it respects my opinion on the show of Arthur. So, there we go. I also forgot to mention this was also released from Paramount Home Entertainment and from Mark Brown Studios for the WGBH Boston, Cookie Jar, and there's your fundings. And here is the disc. Then you got like your Pokemon card and your Explore America with Postcards from Buster. Okay, so that was of course DVD update number 3 to be continued. And number 4 is coming up next, so if you want to see that, just subscribe and ring that notification bell. I'll see you guys in part 4.